Your spouse will not automatically inherit your rental property when you pass away. Whether you hold it only in your personal name or you co-own it with your spouse, it's still going to have to go through the probate process, and it's likely that they are not going to get the full ownership of that property. It depends on if you have a will or you don't have a will. And so when you hold it as tenants in common with your spouse, even though it's marital property and you pass away, your half of the property will have to go through the probate process before it can be distributed out to your spouse. Same thing if you own it only in your personal name. Now, whether or not they are going to get the full ownership of that property or it's going to be split up between other people depends on whether you have a will or not. If you have a will, you are in control of how that property gets distributed. So you can say it's going to go to your surviving spouse or it's going to go to your kids in the event that your surviving spouse has already passed away. Now, if you don't have a will, it's going to get split up per the intestate law. So if you have a spouse and kids, or if you only have kids, it gets split up differently. If you only have kids, it gets split evenly between the kids. If you have a spouse and kids, it does not all go to your spouse. It gets split between the kids and the spouse, with the spouse getting a minimum of 1/3.